Planning a solar installation. Before you spend thousands, you need to understand these four essential components and their technical specifications. Because first, solar panels. Not all panels are created equal. You want Tier 1 manufacturers like Longi, Jinko, JA Solar, or Trina Solar. These are rated for 25 to 30-year lifespans with annual degradation under 0.5% per year. Cheaper panels from unknown brands might degrade at 1% or more annually. That's double the loss over time. Check the warranty. Look for 25-year linear performance guarantee, not just product warranty. Second, the inverter. This is your system's brain. It converts DC power from your panels to AC power for your home and manages maximum power point tracking to optimize efficiency. Reliable brands include Huawei, SMA, Growatt, Fronius, and Goodweed. Critical sizing rule. Match your inverter to your peak load capacity, typically 100 to 120% of your panel array size for optimal performance. For backup needs, consider hybrid inverters that integrate battery management. Third, battery storage if you need backup power. Here's where the numbers matter. Lithium batteries, specifically lithium iron phosphate or LFP, offer 3,000 to 6,000 charge cycles with 92 to 95% round-trip efficiency. Compare that to traditional lead-acid batteries at only 500 to 1,000 cycles with 75 to 80% efficiency. Yes, lithium costs 2 to 3 times more upfront, but the life cycle cost is actually lower. The key is proper sizing. Calculate your battery bank based on actual daily consumption in kilowatt hours, not rough estimates. Undersized batteries cycle too deeply and fail early. Oversized batteries waste money. Fourth, and this is where most DIY installations fail, protection devices. You need DC-rated circuit breakers on the solar array side, AC overcurrent protection on the load side, Type 1 or Type 2, surge protection devices to handle lightning strikes and grid surges, and proper earthing or grounding that meets local electrical codes like NEC Article 690 or IEC standards. Without complete protection, a single fault, whether it's a lightning strike, ground fault, or short circuit, can cascade through your entire system and destroy every component. This isn't optional. It's fundamental electrical safety. Solar energy is proven, reliable technology, but your system is only as good as its weakest component. Choose quality parts, size them correctly using proper engineering calculations, and never skip protection. Do it right once, and your system will generate clean power for decades. Cut corners, and you'll be troubleshooting failures within months. If you found this helpful, subscribe Smart Electrical AI.